front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Settings. In Settings, scroll down to click on Apps and select Default Apps over here. Then tap on Home App section available over here. And finally tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. Last but not least, wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, select Allow All. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, you can go into Launcher app and follow all of its instructions. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you need to go back to the same settings and tap on System Launcher to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!